After all these things, now, I saw this too. We need to talk about. Police arrest 7 suspects over highway robbery. Now, the reason why I decided to speak on this matter is simple. As a nation, it is sometime we need to take a step back and assess institutions that we did not have trust in. A few years ago, majority of Ghanaians had a problem with the judiciary. And a few people, and to me, a judiciary because the confidence na judiciary years ago, no, that confidence is back. Today, when judgments comes out from our court, lower court, high court, Supreme Court, people sit and they are satisfied. Bandaidian is a typical example of how our judiciary is becoming reasonable now. And Akufo-Addo, our judiciary was crazy somehow. But now, you could see there are men and women who basically have decided to work for the nation, the interest of the nation. Until you can see our judiciary is coming back. It is now getting to that point where every Ghanaian who record near the judgment, they believe in it, they trust it, they respect the court. And that is how you build a nation. The same as the Ghana Police Service. Under the leadership of Yohonu, we have seen today police reject bribes. We have seen the commitment of some police officers working day in, day out to make sure, say, the police service, today, Ghana for enya areshimu kakra ewum. And one person who have been so exceptional, the CID boss. Let's be very fair and honest here. We have seen CID bosses come and go. And in Ghana, one thing I'm a Ghana Police Service. Ghana for be brain at a point now you lose interest in Ghana Police Service, and I say and trust you. I'm gonna say Ghana Police Service. You will be a friend. They were used to having court cases and making it look like say a normal. Now there's something happening at the Ghana Police Service, especially the CID department led by Madam Lydia. Now, in the history of the Republic of Ghana, Yohonu police service, and I say the CID department will be head here, which may take a step back. Court cases are not a here Ghana for near him say cases where they ewu, but under the leadership of this lady, we are seeing the Ghana CID as the Criminal Investigation Department led by Madam Lydia. They are now going back and basically working on cases you and I for years and now for months. We never thought to say a CID boss will come into office and say, let us take a step back. Let us start from the back. Let us see the cases that basically could have been treated or looked into. Sebio nipebi escape. Now, it's not say, Abia, I am talking too much, but so we take it time. Now we follow this CID boss. We have had CID bosses for Ghana for 4 years, 3 years, 2 years. They could not even crack one case. One case. But you can see this lady is exceptional. She might have her flaws, but comparing her to her predecessors, obi to say, Ken Yeboah, obi to say, Tiwa de Dankwa, any Faustina Jiwano. You can see this woman. So how do they compare 3 CID bosses here? This woman's work is exceptional. In fact, she has changed the face of investigations in Ghana. She has. And then Ghana need to meet now and say, case we need a review. Hey, and mami we have a breaking case no. Hey, and mami we have a cracky case no. Hey, on any CID department, there's so many cases. You and I, we will never think in post say we will wake up one day and say robbery we see ya coaching conform Ghana asem see 24 hours ya nchini pana Asamoah and Ken Yeboah send the robbery sini and nchini pana ade chen wakoda Asamoah Tiwa de Dankwa on a political witch hunt or no or your case in there concern odi onye ready so be follow bia. So you can see say in this short period mami we be a CID boss no say a person cannot cry. This woman has done exceptionally well. In fact, in this short period, Ejuma why it is 10-15 years Ejuma police headquarters CID bosses on Mabanyinan omuntimi nyeye. Now, Recently, Omo arrested 7 suspects over highway robbery. And recently, every time I call Facebook, I call TV, Subiano, say police are making arrest. Before you can make an arrest, in fact, making an arrest on court cases is more difficult than cases that are basically before you. Because you see, send the Asamoah scene there, they can be a robbery, now answer highway robbery, that's how we investigate here. Somehow, some way, it's a little bit easy because Asamoah pendi court. Idea ube to me follow up now. So ubana si case bi asemi siye obi korobi obi wadabraka 2 years ago. And it's easy to go back and find those people who did the job because one, for all you know that the CID boss are not Yohonu. He did not care about how the investigations was being conducted. Ebia details ananka say or picky or they follow up on that case, on one picket. You are basically going to start from scratch. Now, for this woman to step in, and recently we've seen the number of cases are all cracking. In fact, let's be very fair. Let's be very, very fair. She is, like I said, one of the most hardworking CID bosses we have had in the history of this country. And say police investigations are obianim say there will be results. And the police can say, oh yeah, you know the police will come up with a result. The CID will investigate to the point where you bet chinipa. And that is the kind of investigation for some time now. This is the kind of leadership now at the CID office for a very long time. We needed a leader who can take decisions, who will look at cases the same, treat cases the same, add the needed attention to every case. And you can see this woman on selected cases, on Nkasem where the politician be one some naba, yetiha and or investigate afenyo marking. Or the report come Attorney General and told the Attorney General these were her findings. I spoke on that matter. As we speak, that investigations at the afenyo marking desk. So this is what we call a leadership. It is about you standing up and making sure the right thing is done. Now, since this woman became the CID boss, we are seeing cases upon cases are all cracking. 3 more suspects in the 2024 Adabraka Gold Jewelry Shop robbery incident grabbed. Where Adabraka case you see almost 2 years ago. The woman came into office and they chinko for. In the history of Ghana, how do we been see? What about some court, a police station? Not CID focus on my you bet over and can and no another story. The next generation I'll bet. But under the leadership of Lydia, you can see say case bia current and the past biano. We are visiting and we are making progress. There's some sense of urgency in the system. The lady is showing. The lady is proving say when you jumani keke and you been a body didn't the position mano a jumana or only jumano. Now we can also talk about police arrest 12 in separate highway robbery operations. And these are all, so when your investigators, papa, when your CID boss or your papa, they need that format, or between investigators are collaborating and making sure that the professionalism is there. They are serious about what they do. You are never going to get anybody. You can never crack any case. But under this lady, in less than a year, she has cracked so many cases. She has cracked so many cases. And this is exceptional. And we should give credit. She's doing well. She's really, really doing well. And we need to, at some time, the moment take a step, kakra, let's step back a little bit and look at where we were under Kenyabua, under Tiwa, under Faustina. 8 years ago, we saw CID office bosses are normally petition for Kenyabua. Or no petition, or we are also a petition. Tiwa the Dankwa, or no MPP, the foot soldier. Faustina, or Chimekapa, on the original. And all the seminar furniture. These were people who were not serious. Now, let's see this. See something like this. We are talking about 5 arrests over the Nkasem robbery attack. And it's all about the investigations. It's all about the leadership. And this woman is doing well, man. And if there was any position above CID bossa, they should be looking at that position because it looks like say Onimejumano more than Baby Yohonu. If there's any position that is above CID boss, then we should be looking at that because it's been a long time we saw people who were really, really serious about their job. People who were basically bringing the result home. We for a long time, we have CID boss or the result to be about. But this woman is bringing results. This woman is showing. Say she wasn't just appointed because it is because of her job, the track record, the intelligence, the knowledge she has, the in-depth knowledge, the consistency. And we all should sit back and start to ask questions. Mami way, we cannot just let her go like that. We should find something for her to do. And yes, CID didn't want to be to my. And I'm going to say, after CID, if there's something about CID, we should be looking at people like that because almost and hardly do you get to women who stand out and do their work exceptionally, especially in the police force. They be a and more opportunity. Majority of time, you might opportunity. I mean, I'm blown up. But this woman is proving the why we need a woman in positions like these. The CID boss.
Today's briefing will focus on two major success stories. 1. Police arrest 7 suspects in a highway robbery involving a Council of State member. And then 2. Police arrest 5 suspects for robbery at Nkasem. The police have arrested 7 suspects in a highway robbery involving a Council of State member, which occurred sometime last year. 7 suspects identified as Rashida Yusuf, Aaron Abana Baswifanga, Wilson Avasong, Muntaro Idrisu alias Virgin, Aminu Zebrila alias Birdman, Inusa Sumaila alias Agenda, and Haruna Safiano have been arrested in connection with the crime. On 21st July 2025, the victim was traveling along the Tamale-Bupe Highway when he was attacked by 6 armed men who robbed him of personal belongings, including mobile phones, some cash, wristwatches, reading glasses, a laptop, and other items. On 11 January 2026, following intelligence gathered by the CID, a team from the anti-armed robbery unit was dispatched to Salaga in the Savannah region. This operation led to the arrest of Rashida Yusuf, who was found in possession of an iPhone 7 Plus belonging to one of the victims. The phone was retrieved. Further investigations led officers to a mobile phone shop located at Dagomba Line in Salaga. The shop attendant Aaron Abana Baswifanga was arrested, and he disclosed that the phone had been brought to the shop by his uncle Wilson Avasong, an environmental officer, and the shop's owner who resides in Tamale. Suspect Wilson Avasong was subsequently arrested in Tamale. During interrogation, suspect Wilson Avasong stated that he purchased the phone from a phone repairer, Muntaro Idrisu, also known as Virgin, for 1,000 Ghana cedis. Police then arrested suspect Muntaro Idrisu at the Tamale Abuabu market, where he led officers to arrest Aminu Zebrila, also known as Birdman, a 35-year-old Okada rider, at Dungu, a suburb of Tamale. Suspect Aminu Zebrila admitted to selling the phone to Muntaro Idrisu for 650 Ghana cedis. A search conducted in the room of suspect Aminu Zebrila resulted in the retrieval of several items, including a locally manufactured shotgun, 1 locally manufactured pistol, 4 live BB cartridges, 1 locally manufactured sword with the inscription Birdman, 1 live 5.56 by 44 CZ ammunition, 2 live revolver ammunition, 1 face mask, 1 jackknife, a quantity of dried leaves suspected to be Indian hemp, 1 talisman, 1 cutter, 1 catapult, on the arrest of 5 suspects for robbery at Nkasem. The Ghana Police Service has also arrested 5 suspects in connection with the robbery attack at Nkasem in the Ahafo region.
So the composure is there, the discipline is there, and you can see, say, she knows what she's doing. And anything I make her say, if there's any position above CID boss, I think this woman, in this short period, will prove her to Ghana for say, if she's given the room to work, and she's given the chance to move up, she can do better. In fact, since it's obey CID boss, me who say obi etumia sorry aka say our CID department and our investigations way ya ene basa. And that is one hallmarker, one integrity marker. This woman, as we speak, ekuta. The composure is there, the professionalism is there, the consistency is there. Let us support her. In fact, once in a while, you about exceptional. It is a nano pokuajiman. Once in a while, you about exceptional. Basic hospitals, Lodina. Once in a while, you about exceptional. It is a J. Kufoire. May her soul rest in peace. Once in a while, you about exceptional. It is a Kuledu Ajiman Rollins. Once in a while, you police officer or your bar or exceptional. It is a Lydia Donko. And we should not underestimate the work she's doing. And Oba Ghana, people now believe or trust the police again because they know, say, the investigations will be done. If there's anything above this, I'm looking at something above where she is now. In fact, a very, very important, and this is a conversation we will have in the future. We are looking at everybody, we are assessing people and people's work and extra where they have to be. Nti obanyansa for yebunibe. Wenya eyo Faustina, mokai Faustina. When was the last time I would say Ekufuado Faustina? CID ya no ohe Faustina ejewa. Edine yes yedin. Faustina ejewa. Otumi chide nim na tissue no de chide na tissue na tete. Faustina. Otumi di bomb. Won sa pons no. Otumi di bomb popo na pons ne kasa. Otumi di tissue bo ponsum na odi afene na pons ne kasa pons. Unim pons. Faustina. Ojari wie ansa na won free fie medu no. Ono odi eyi kakra. Pokre kakra. Na odi eye sunshine. Ansa na odi eye Latvia eye de moon. Ansa na odi white star. Odi amexi. Na odi edua omo odua bi omo di nkufo omochi. Na odi abom kum. Na odi afane chi. Odi srane chi. Ansa na oba office. Faustina, what is the Faustina press conference da? The Bernard is a Faustina press conference. Or would you tin. It's need them corner. And son would generate into my friend at Chidiachim, or the China Lufuso at Chires in the poor. And son when you about the activator of an trim, Eddie Ducaticho, so Amanane, and Sana or the incumbent table so, in the night Benkumuno, Eddie see a Konyan Sasso, and Sana, what Tinku for, what they are finding some. Adi afane nanko krobotia be sida hem amane hwaye ansa na oba satani abu okum satani investigations ni ewie kan yabu a otumi no petition odi bibia cause right petition kan yabu a wetwa bi odi na timi kochi armed robbers na odi oma ba efie odi oma ba police station na odi etuo na bullet gum na kogu ne office wo journalists for Bam say, CID boss, what should we do? So go into the room, the guns are there, go and take picture. No, be koloko you told no bo tribute to her. Sanko for in about cantata for way, Tiwa the Dankwa. Corrupt police officer. Corrupt una as on yamu. Bibi basa on kanu kre obia enkwara ayira takra the girls omira or say she keep on keeping on yekobusa na sa time no oni evidence and so no come yema yakase be kabi bima yemu to yem. All these comedians came. This woman is showing say Sanya won kofo on betuma ye djuma no. Let's keep an eye on her. I think she's doing a marvelous job. It's very, very important. Nidin Ede Lydia Donko. She's really working hard and I really appreciate Ejuma Oye. Let's all at least sometimes the entrance in Musa baby near war any baby a one day you could see the difference. And I say if there's any position above CID in the future, let us look at this woman very well. Very, very important.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahin, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers,